Thank you for purchasing our MRCM primary course. First thing, how to navigate. First thing in the navigation, open the browser. Here I have opened the Chrome browser. Once you open the Chrome browser, in the address bar, type the draamrcmcourses.com. It is our website. Then press enter. Once you type this draamrcmcourses.com and press enter, you will enter into your home page. In home page here top, you can see there is my account. Click to the my account. Once you click to the my account, this page will appear. In this page, you enter your email ID or the username, which you have already entered. Below, enter your password, then press the button log in. Once you press the button log in, you will enter in this page. I'll be showing once it downloads up this page. Here you can see your courses you're enrolled to. As you've enrolled to our MRCM Primary May 2025, only this will be seen. This both will not be seen. So only this will be seen. Click the course which you are enrolled for, that is MRCM Primary course. Here, the first thing I want you, all of you to do is first click this join Telegram discussion group. Click that button. Once you click this button, there is a link, group link. Click this group link button. This will send the request to Telegram discussion group. In Telegram discussion group, to be accepted, give us 24 hours. It will not be immediately accepted. So it will take around approximately 24 hours. At the same point of time, once you click the group link, we want you to Telegram, that is on the Telegram app, send us your name and Telegram phone number on this number. To this number, please message us on the Telegram about your name and the phone number. First thing, let us see how to access the live classes. Here you can see there is live classes mentioned. Click the live classes. Once you click the live classes, there is a live class button. This button will start working few minutes before the live class. For example, you can see just below the live classes, we have already posted the schedule for the December month. On 15th is the first class of Introduction and Central Nervous System. We'll assume that you're from India at 7 p.m. That means around 6:55 or 6:50 p.m. If you click this link, this will redirect you to the Zoom app. Make sure that before you click this link, you're logged into your Zoom app and your Zoom name is the same name as the registered name. If your Zoom name is different from the registered name on the website, you will not be allowed in the class. Strict actions will be taken. So just make sure your name is similar to that of the registered name on our website. Next thing is, for example, the first class was Introduction and Nervous System. I'll click that part. After the class, within 24 hours, we'll upload the recorded videos. The recorded video will appear in this manner. Below, you can see the timestamp. You can just press the play button. It will start playing as you can see. You can jump from one topic to another topic according to the timestamp here. For example, I click here, it jumps to another timestamp. You can do in full screen by clicking this button. Once you're in full screen, you can click this button to see the again chapters, the timestamp can be seen. If you want, you can increase the speed of the video or decrease the speed of the video also here. And you can see the duration which is mentioned here in the bottom. Then just below this recorded videos, first class will not have the recorded videos. Class has to finish, then only this recorded videos will appear. Here you can see the green color coded one. There is a download button. This download button, if you click, you'll be downloading the blueprint. I want all of you to download this blueprint and come to the class. Okay, download, print it, and come to the class. So during the class, you can just fill up the blueprint and make your own notes. Remember that blueprint is not a note. There are plenty of gaps. You need to fill it up. To fill it up, you need to go through the class and fill it up by you. Below this blueprint, we have question bank. Okay, this is not a full-fledged question bank, but these are the recall questions, what will be shown here. Recall questions are given in two formats. One is the revision format, another one is the test format. Both has the same questions. Let me repeat, both has the same questions. In the revision, we'll see how it goes. What is the format in revision? Revision means you're revising. So we'll go and we'll see the first question here. What you'll do, you'll just read the question, select one option, then we'll go to the next one so that you read the question, you select an option, then you'll press the click check here. If you click the check button, it will show, yes, what you have selected might be right or might be wrong. Why is it incorrect? What is the explanation? That one will be shown. Then you'll go to the next one. So in this manner, each question you will select an option, then you'll check whether it is correct or wrong. It is a correct one, and you have the explanation just given below this. In that manner, it becomes easier for you to revision you're doing. Now we'll go to the test mode. You can see here, test mode, it is written. So what is the difference in the test mode? In the test mode, what is the difference we'll be seeing now? start quiz. I'll be pressing. Once you start quiz, you can see there is a timer which is going on. So it is like a test. It is like an exam for you. So it is timed. So like an exam, you need to go in a sequential order. So first one, you'll be going next, then you'll be going second one, then you'll be going next. If you want, you can directly jump. I do not want to do the fourth one, you want to skip it, you can skip to the fourth one directly, you can skip to the fourth one. You want to directly do the 28th one, 19th one, yes, you can do the 19th one. Then you'll go to the next one. In that manner, you can keep on doing it. Okay, that's how it is required. Then you can go to the review questions at the end. Once you revise, you can go to the quiz summary, finish this quiz. Once you have finished the quiz, then you can go back and see what you have done right or what you are not wrong by clicking this button, View Questions. In View Questions, you can see, you can click here. It will show you the question, answer. Next one, you have the second one, third one, fourth one. You want to directly go up, click this button, what was there? Directly go up. You want to go to the 19th one, plus the 19th one, it will directly take you to the 19th one. Again, you want to go up, click this button, you'll go up, and you want to select, for example, second one. It will take you directly to the second question, and it will show which option you have selected. Was it a right or a wrong one, and what is the explanation for the same.